Alright, let's show you how to set up this brake lathe. B17 should be the same application. So pretty much what you want to do is you want to line this up inside this little cone. This is like a little cone. See, let me just show you. Okay, this is what it is right there. Okay, you're gonna put your rotor off on there. If that doesn't fit, you got more attachments. Come on, David. That wasn't the rotor. You got more attachments like this one right here. Okay.
Oh, you can't post that.
Why? The rotor didn't fall. Alright, so you got this attachment. You put this on first. Then you tighten this reverse thread. Alright, so this is going to be your adjustment levers here. You don't really need to touch this one very much. You want to have this one turned all the way clockwise for it to be stiff. You can loosen this one up so you can adjust these arms. Now, when you turn this one clockwise, it's going to bring in your blade closer to the rotors. You see it's getting closer. Okay, same thing with this. You got your light here. And we're going to adjust this one in kind of close. We don't want it to touch all the way yet. Alright, cool. We got them nice and close. This is your cover, so metal shavings don't get you. We're going to turn it on. Alright, press on. We got her spinning. Alright, so I'm going to try to get this real time. Rotor looks pretty straight. So, alright. When you tighten it, these arms won't move. They're going to stay locked in the position that you put them in. You want to have them a little loose. And this lever here, when you turn it counterclockwise, it brings this away from the rotor. As you can see, you turn it clockwise, it's going to bring it closer. See? We're in there. And then use this to go left and right. Alright, so let's see here.
Are you live?
No, I'm not live.
No.
Can't do live. We're gonna get a little bit closer. We just want to scratch a bit. Not much. Something like that. That's cool. Now, work on this side. I'm bringing it in slowly. I'm slowly adjusting the lever. Alright, it's pretty close. Tighten her up. I'm gonna rotate her in. It's gonna scratch it a bit as it's going in too, because some of the rotor is gonna be uneven. But we want to bring her back, get her to right about in here. Rotate. Show you what we're looking at. You're getting real-time brake lathe training right now. I see it was scratching some of the areas because some of the areas was more on level than others. Alright, cool. Now you want to dig in a little, not much, before we stop it. Let me loosen this a bit. Because this is where you're going to cut it at. Right there. And tighten it. Turn it off. Hey, Adair. Those keys are right there. Yeah. Then you're gonna go ahead and install this. These you're gonna stretch them open, put them on there. All right, turn it on. Okay. You can adjust your speed here. We're gonna keep it at about 6. All right, make sure she's on there good. Hit the button. She's off to the races by herself. And it's gonna resurface them. We're gonna check back in about a couple minutes. As you can already see right in there, she's resurfacing real nice. The whole rotor is gonna be fresh surfaced. You know, make sure all this stuff is tight before you start it, of course. And we're gonna have a nice surface for the customer from the brake lathe machine. So make sure y'all go ahead and give it us 214-791-7037 where we throw in rotor turning with your brake service. And we mess with everything here. See, we got the LS swap Chevys, the Volkswagen T1s. We even got the Mercedes out here. We got the Challenger over there. We're real busy at the shop. Alrighty, she's still underway. She's looking real nice. Alright, see those spots right there? Those are low spots in the rotor. Sometimes when you hit the brakes, you'll feel them wobble. That's from low spots in the rotor. So we're gonna end up having to go back, shave down this side a hair more. But she's coming out beautiful on this side. Closer and closer. She's looking good. That's how you want it to look. It's gonna feel nice and smooth as well. We'll see what that finished product is. You want to stop it before you get to the lip. You're not gonna shave the whole thing down like that. Alrighty. She's resurfaced. Looking beautiful, nice and smooth, flat surface, no more wobbling on stops. That's how she's looking.
Wash your hands, man.
As she's getting resurfaced right there. There you go right there. Got a nice surface going. Gonna get rid of all those low spots.